Hello everybody. In last lecture we have discussed introduction to functions, and then we were discussing type of functions. In type of functions we have discussed on one-to-one function. Today we will discuss on-to function and one-to-one correspondence. So let us see on-to function. On-to function can be defined like if there is a function f from a to b, set a to b, then it means, what does it mean? It means every element of set B is mapped with some element of set A. Okay. Symbolically, we can say for all B, there exists some A such that F is equal to B. It means the range is equal to codomain. Means every element of codomain is the image of some element of domain. Okay. So here range is equal to codomain, we can say. This is onto function. It is also called surjective function. So let us see one example. So if there are two sets A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, where mappings are given like F is equal to 3, FB is equal to 2, FC is equal to 1 and FD is equal to 3. So we have to determine whether this mapping is onto or not. So as we can see by the definition, we know all the elements of codomain. So here this 1, 2, 3 is codomain. All the elements of codomain must be mapped with some element of domain. Okay, this ABCD is domain. So here we can see 3 is mapped with some element, 2 is mapped with some element and 1 is mapped with some element. Okay, so all three elements are the images of some element of domain. So this is onto function. If there is one more suppose element, अगर यहाँ पे 4 भी होता suppose, comma 4, तो ये onto नहीं होता. Okay, because in that case 4 was not mapped with any element of domain. So in that case it will not be onto. Otherwise the given case, in the given case where codomain is 1, 2, 3 only, it is onto. Okay, so this is the solution. As all the three elements of codomain are the images of elements in domain, we can say that F is onto. Okay, so in this way we can represent it like here we can see A is mapped with 3, B is mapped with 2, C is mapped with 1 and D is mapped with 3. So all three elements here 1 to 3 are mapped with some element in set A or domain. So this is called onto function. No element should left from mapping. Okay, so this is onto function. Here range is equal to codomain, we can see. So let us see one more example. Now we have to find whether this given mapping is onto or not. A function fx is equal to x square is given from set of integers to set of integers. So let us see. It is not onto because there is no integer x with x square is equal to -1. What does it mean? It means like we are talking about set of integers to set of integers. Okay, this means we are talking about set of integers. As we know, all positive and negative numbers are there. Again यहाँ पे भी okay, all positive and negative numbers are there. So this is set of integers and this is also set of integers. So by the definition we know that all the elements of codomain must be mapped with any element of domain. Okay, so mapping is x square. So if we talk about this -1, so there is no element here whose square is -1. So this element is not mapped with any element of this set, so we can say this is not onto. Okay. Likewise, there are other negative numbers also. This is just an example that negative number cannot be a square of any number. So this is not an onto mapping. Okay. I hope this is clear now. One more example is there. If fx is equal to x plus 1, again from set of integers to set of integers. So we have to find whether this is onto or not. Let us see the solution. This is onto because every integer y, there is an integer x such that fx is equal to y. So if we say fx is equal to y, it means x plus 1 is equal to y, which holds if and only if x is equal to y minus 1. So in simple way we can say that if we add 1 to any number, it will again or the result is a set of, or we can say the result belongs to set of integers only. Okay, so here for every number in set A, whatever result we get from this x plus 1 or from this mapping, it will also be a part of set of integers. Okay, or we can say codomain. So every element of codomain here maps with every element of domain. So we can say this is onto function or onto mapping. Next is one-to-one correspondence. If a function is one-to-one and onto both, then it is called one-to-one correspondence, and it is called also called bijection or bijective function. So let us see an example of bijection. Suppose two sets are there, A, B, C, and D, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and the corresponding mappings are FA is equal to 4, FB is equal to 2, FC is equal to 1, and FD is equal to 3. So we have to find whether this is bijective function or not. So let us see. This function is one-to-one and onto. It is one-to-one because no two values in the domain are assigned the same function value. So first of all, we will check for one-to-one. One-to-one means every element of domain is assigned a different value from codomain. Like here, A is mapped with A is mapped with 4, B is mapped with 2, C is mapped with 1, and D is mapped with 3. No two elements domain are assigned the same value. There are different values for different elements. So this is one-to-one. All values of codomain are mapped. All values are mapped. So it is onto also. So this is one-to-one and onto. So this is bijective function. Now there are different type of correspondence. Let us see. It will be more clear then. This is one-to-one and not onto. So this is one-to-one, not onto. As we can see, one-to-one means every element of domain must have a unique element in set B or codomain. So A is mapped with 3, B is mapped with 4, C is mapped with 1. But it is not onto because not all elements are mapped. Not all elements of codomain are mapped. Like here, 2 is not mapped with any element, so this is not onto. This is one-to-one, but this is not onto. Next, onto but not one-to-one. Okay, so as we can see, 1 is mapped, 2 is mapped, 3 is mapped, all 3 are mapped, so this is onto. But here A is mapped with 2, B is mapped with 1, D is mapped with 2. So here A and D are mapped with 2, so this is not one-to-one. Okay, two elements of domain having same mapping or same element are mapped with same element in set B or codomain, so it is not one-to-one. Next is one-to-one and onto. Here all elements of all elements of domain are mapped with different values. Okay, and all values here 1, 2, 3, 4 all are mapped with some element of domain. So here both conditions are satisfying, one-to-one and onto. So this is one-to-one and onto. Next is, as we have discussed in the very first lecture of function, this is not a function because it is not permitted that single element or say one element is mapped with two elements of codomain. Okay, so this is not a function, as we have discussed in the previous lecture also, that no student can get 2 grades. Okay, so here we can see A is mapped with 2 and A is mapped with 4 also. So this is not a function. So these are some different kinds of correspondence or functions. So this is all about function. Thank you.